Hello friends, Dr. Ashfaq here. Today I am going to explain you about the diabetes or diabetes mellitus. It is a condition in which the blood sugar level increases. Glucose which is present in our blood and which is very essential component for the functioning of the muscles, for the functioning of our brain also. For the proper health of the brain and the muscles, glucose is required, sugar is required. But if the level of this sugar increases in the blood, then it is very harmful and it can damage the other organs of our body. So we have to keep a check on this level of this sugar in our body in the blood, because sometime what happens due to certain conditions, the pancreas, which is a gland, and this gland is present in our body, it is an heterocrine gland which secrete the pancreatic juice, as well as it also secrete a hormone which is known as the insulin. Insulin is very important hormone and it is required to control the level of the sugar in our blood. So sometimes what happens, the beta cells which are present in the pancreas, they stop secreting the sufficient amount of the insulin, or if the insulin is secreted by the pancreas, then it is not used for the metabolism of the sugar, and then what happens, the sugar level in the blood increases. So in this condition what happens, the sugar level, when it increases in the blood, it will start damaging the different organs of our body, mainly the kidneys and the brain and some other reproductive system which is there. The sexual desire goes on decreasing and erectile dysfunction, like this many problems are there which are affected by the level of this sugar which is increased in the blood. So if someone is having this problem, if you are facing this problem, because so many things are there which are affected by this condition that is called the diabetes, because it is a disease which affect almost each and every part, every organ, every system of the body, whether it is a nervous system, whether it is the sexual system or the reproductive system, then muscular system, digestive system, each and everything is affected by this diabetes. So we have to control it. We have to keep and check on the level of the sugar, because if it goes high and continuously if the level of the sugar is remain increased in the blood, then what will happen, so many complications are there which can happen in your life. So for controlling and for keeping the sugar level in normal, you can use the herbal powder, and this is the powder which is very effective. 100% effective result this powder will give you. If you are taking the insulin and your level is going high, 200, 300, and beyond this level also, if your sugar level is going, and after taking the insulin also the level is not coming down, or if you are taking allopathic tablets, because allopathic tablets you have to take continuously daily one tablet. If it not controlled by one tablet, you have to take two tablet, one morning, one evening. Then also you see whether you are taking the insulin or whether you are taking the allopathic tablets or the medicine. These medicines, they themselves, they are having the side effect. So it is better to use the herbal medicine, which will the function of this medicine or this herbal product or this herbal powder is that it will activate the beta cells which are present in the pancreas. So it will not give you the temporary solution, it will give you permanent solution, because when the pancreas will start functioning properly, when the cells which are responsible for the secretion of the insulin in the pancreas, they become active, then what will happen, they will start to secrete the insulin, which is an hormone which will keep your sugar level in control. So if this condition will be there inside your body, your sugar level automatically it will come under the control, and this is a very effective medicine, herbal medicine. So you can use this, and then you can, from the first day you will notice the changes, that the sugar level is coming down and it will remain down, and you take this continuously. You have to take this powder without any side effect, because if you are taking the insulin injection or if you are taking the allopathic medicine, so many side effects you will have in your long run, and this powder will not give you any side effect. Each and everything will be under control. So personally I will recommend you to take this medicine which is herbal and without any side effect, and 100% safe and effective.